getting bored. Are you, Mom, getting bored?
Yes, I'm bored.
Let's do something fun. Ah, I know.
Mama.
I think we should paint. Mommy, let's paint. Let's paint.
Can you?
Where's the paint? So this is what I am going to do in my free time. I have this canvas in a very high quality, and this is a paintbrush, and here are the colors we paint, and here is the picture. So let's create an environment. I lighted this red candle so I would feel good. So let's start with a green color of the grass. Mom, please can you open this?